I got my tools in that, man. Crazy. People. I just went and got my tools and stuff. And yeah, man. It's a whole new journey for me right now, man. But I've got a new job now. I work for BMW. And yeah, my job title is an improver technician, which means that I'm basically qualified mechanical wise, but not BMW wise. So every time I'm gonna be working on BMW cars, they're gonna train me and stuff to just, you know, get me up to date with the BMW cars and all that type of stuff, and just, you know, kind of make me like a BMW specialist, if that's what you want to call it. But yeah, man, I'm excited. Starting the new year's correct. Starting 2023 on a good note. Yeah. And I'm thankful to say that I work for BMW now, so it's crazy, like BMW, like, you know how crazy that is. That's such a big big achievement for me. And I just thank the Lord, because I can't lie to you, I was going through it, man. I kept on applying for lots of jobs, and a lot of them wasn't getting back to me. Some of them did get back to me, but you know how it goes. But look at me now, like God said, nah, man, wait your turn, man. I have something planned for you, man. Don't stress up yourself. But for months I've been applying, and I was going through. I was stressed out, man. You know what I mean? I didn't feel like a man. I felt like I was useless. You know, as you guys know, I have a girlfriend as well. It was a bit hard for me, because I felt like I couldn't really do nothing for her and all that stuff, as well as my mum. You know what I mean? I couldn't really help them out with, like, you know, the bills and stuff and that. Even treat them to a little date night or something. You know what I mean? I couldn't do none of that, because the boy they had no money in his pockets. But now man's working for BMW now. I'm gonna hear cha-ching, cha-ching. I understand. So things gonna be different for me from now on, and for them too. You know, so just gotta say once again, thank the Lord, and everyone, please, I'm telling you. And you feel like nothing can go in your way, man, trust me, Lord has something planned for you. You just gotta wait your time, that is, man, just gotta wait your time, man. But yeah, I finally got my tools, man. I'm excited. It's my first time even getting a bunch of tools like this, like proper tools as well. From bad boy Halfords, you know. Yeah, do you guys want to see it? Let me show you. So yeah, look, got all my stuff, lots of stuff, and then I got my little, you know, cabinet back there. And yeah, man, it's crazy. It's a whole new journey for me, man, and I'm excited and I'm thankful. Yeah, man. Look at all of this. What is it? Hold on. Lifetime guarantee. What do you mean? So if anything snaps or break on it, I just boom, go right back to Halfords, any Halfords, without my receipt or anything, and I just show them, and boom, and they replace it for me. So yeah, man. I ain't got nothing more to say, man. Just, you know, give thanks to God and just be patient. The time will come. People, you might say, oh, what, you got to put back his little beanie back on? Yeah, man. You got to put my beanie back on, so I can look a bit nicer and sharp for me, I understand? But yeah, that's not even half of it, man. I still got more stuff that I need to get. So right now I'm just waiting for my mum to come downstairs and that. And then we're going to go. We're going to go get, you know, more stuff. But yeah, man. Just right now I just popped into my little local one. And to see what they have. Just got as much as I can that they have that's there. They had pretty a lot of stuff that I actually needed. I only need that. There's 2 more things left, and that's literally done. Yeah, 2 or 3. Okay, it's gonna be more than that as well, because as time goes by, I'm gonna need to get more stuff. But for now, this will do. And yeah, man. Like I said before, I'm happy. I'm just grateful. I'm thankful, man. And yeah, man. And I can actually say, like, yeah, I mean, my mum proud. I'm my girlfriend proud too, man, as well as myself. So yeah. New journeys, new beginnings. Yeah, man. New beginnings. Like, hold on. I got, yo, I already put something that I got, you know. Got my magnetic tray. Hold on, yeah. You know, put all my little bits and bobs on there so I don't lose nothing. Got my actual magnet, because you know sometimes bolts and that be just dripping and that, and I gotta quickly just go pick it up. So got my little adapters. And yeah, man. I got a lot of things. Oh, there they come, they're coming. Oh, that. Oh, that.
Yes.
Ugh. Yeah. Huh?
Hi guys, I'm just back again with another video. So Ronaldinho gonna get him tools and for work, and I'm just gonna have a look at what he bought. Yeah. So what you buy, son?
What you buy something?
Money?
I don't know.
Oh, box in yourself. Huh? Alright.
Yeah.
You have a big start, son.
Yeah.
Take out your box. You can't take it out.
No man, hey.
We can manage it. So 2023 start. It's a banger.
Yeah.
So I have to go carry your guy over place.
Yeah.
Man, I starting big, clean, nice job now. Yeah. So from when you see this, I don't know what time it is. The big mechanic, I go start in professional jobs. Yeah. Yeah. Right there, sir. Yes. So people from when you see what go on here, so I don't know say I'll sell out. Getting tools them and thing. What is you get, son? That's it. The man have him tool set, you know.
And I still got more things that I need to get.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You know, go get everything one time. You can buy bit by bit.
No, but I'm gonna need it or else I won't be able to actually do my job. You know? So I'm just getting the things that I need for now. And then I need other extra
still
stuff.
need more.
Yeah, man.
I forgot to set up my cash app, you know. I have to set up my cash app in case anybody wants to help Ronaldinho. You can send it to the cash app. There's not enough supporters out here that really likes you and love you. So cash app will be great for now. The link gonna be down below. Because he still needs more tools.
Yeah.
When I see young people behave like this, you know, I have to invest, you know. Yeah. So my cash app gonna be down below. One more. That can. Right this up. Right this up. Right this up. Alright, we're gonna go up now. We're gonna carry out this because we have to go to another Alpha to pick up some more stuff. Because the man has started off 23 with a banger. What you say? How you feel?
I feel good. I feel proud.
Yeah, you got to the people
I feel
them.
nervous. I feel happy. They already know. I already had a little conversation with them already, so they already know.
Oh yeah, but
so
little
you'll
conversation.
see.
Yeah, I didn't go with him on this first trip, but I'm going
on the
to
second
the
trip.
second trip. I have to invest in my son, you know. Because me believe in my son.
Yeah, if it's something no fit, bro.
He can manage it.
This one? Yeah. And the other? No. I've got a 31 piece socket set. 27.
So I need a bike. I need to ride. Get fit in 2023. I'll be a bike up here, sir. Any bike you want, it is here. No sale? So Dino is getting two.
That one and that one or this?
Yeah, this one, yeah, and that one as well.
Two something I get, yeah?
Yeah, because I need to get a breaker bar and then the wheel sockets, so I'll be able to take off the wheel sockets.
I think
Yeah.
I like her here.
You want money on the subject. You want money on the subject. Grab card, bad dad, staying home, no fraud. Science, hold on, cry out.
Who says single mother can't do it? It's a one single mother, but put her all in her son. I want to put them out. I'm supposed to. So I would like to say congratulations to Ronaldinho, and I hope you'll be great in 2023. And congratulations again on your new job. Give your kids a head start in life. 2023 start off good for Ronaldinho. Everything that he wished for came true. Yes, so you know, say the big man I gotta work. So I have to go carry him early in the morning, go drop him off. So my boy start off good. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.